Magandang hapon po ng Monday, March 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, March 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, March 11, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 with a jackpot estimates of 121.5 million pesos, Mega Lotto 645 with jackpot estimates of 8.9 million pesos for Monday, March 11, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, March 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.